Apple, like many of its rivals, is a creature of habit where phone launches are constant, and we are expecting it to take the reps of the iPhone X Plus at an event in September, either on Tuesday, September 11 or Wednesday, September 12. The firm also tends to release its new iPhone on Friday slightly later on in the month. This time out, we are expecting the iPhone X to hit the shelves on Friday, September 21. Here is the reminder of when previous iPhone models were launched and then released. iPhone 5 launched on Wednesday, September 12 and released on Friday, September 21. iPhone 5s launched on Tuesday, September 10 and released on Friday, September 20. iPhone 6 launched on Tuesday, September 9 and released on Friday, September 19. Similarly, iPhone 6s launched on Wednesday, September 9 and released on Friday, September 25. But what about pricing? And one thing is for certain, the iPhone X Plus won't be that cheap. The iPhone X will start at Euros 999, so you can expect its plus size successor to go far north of that. We think a starting price of 1150 euros is within the realms of possibility. iPhone X Plus features and specifications. The iPhone X Plus is rumored to be either a 6.4 inches or 6.5 inches OLED iPhone that will feature a notch and edge-to-edge screen just like iPhone X. It's also expected to sport a stainless steel frame and glass back. And sure enough, a set of leaked schematic surfaced in June appearing to confirm that Apple has managed to cram that 6.5 inches screen into a frame that is smaller than that of the 5.5 inches iPhone 8 Plus. The iPhone X Plus, which Apple is also referring to as the iPhone 11 and 12, made an appearance on the benchmark tool Geekbench's online database in July with all new D321AP CPU and 4GB of RAM in tow. 1GB more than the iPhone X, it will most likely also feature an A12 processor that will reportedly be up to 20% faster and 40% more efficient than that of A11 Bionic CPU mounted on iPhone X. In the test itself, the iPhone 11 12 posted a higher score than Apple's current flagship, ranking in 4,673 points in the single core and 10,912 in the multi-core test. The iPhone X, for comparison, recorded 4,206 and 10,123 respectively. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos like this.